Hi. Hi, tummy time girl. Hi. 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 Are you cute or are you cute? There are only two choices. Oh, goodness gracious me. That was a big burp. Do you see all your pretty toys? See Sophie? See Sophie? Can you reach for Sophie? Can I have a smile? Eloise, can I have a smile? Will you smile for Sophie? Yes. Smile, Curly. Hi, Eloise. Can I have a smile? You only smile for Sophie? Will you smile for Sophie? Will you smile for Sophie? Does that bib taste good? See, I have to wear a bib because I have on such a pretty outfit. I want such a pretty outfit. You gonna roll over for us? That's good. That's good. You try and reach for something? You can do it. You can do it. Okay, I think that's enough. That's enough. You sure are cute, though. Can we have one more? No.